In the vast, azure waters of the Caribbean Sea, a golden age of piracy unfolded in the 1700s, a time of adventure, danger, and opportunity. The pirates, these roving bands of sailors and outlaws, sought wealth beyond measure, their eyes fixed on the Spanish Main, the treasure-laden ships sailing from the New World to Spain. In the bustling ports of Port Royal in Jamaica and Tortuga in Haiti, these pirates would gather, their ships prowling the waters like sharks, waiting for their next prey. One such pirate was William Kidd, a Scottish sailor turned pirate, known as Long Bill for his towering height and legendary exploits. Kidd, along with his crew, sailed the seas, plundering ships and amassing a fortune in gold, silver, and spices. Yet, the Golden Age was not without its perils. The British Navy, under the command of the ruthless and ambitious Sir Henry Morgan, sought to eradicate piracy from the Caribbean. In 1696, Kidd was betrayed by his own crew, who turned him over to the British. His trial was a spectacle, his fate sealed by political machinations and the public's fear of pirates. Kidd was hanged and his head placed on a pike at Execution Dock in London, a grim warning to all would-be pirates. Despite Kidd's downfall, the golden age of piracy continued, fueled by the lure of wealth and the allure of the unknown. But as the 18th century dawned, the age of the pirate began to wane, replaced by the steady, unyielding hand of the British Empire. Yet, the stories of these pirates, their bravery, their greed, and their folly live on, etched in the annals of history, a testament to a time when the Caribbean was the stage for one of the most extraordinary chapters in the human story.